why my stomach is making these noises. Hi foodie fam, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, we are eating a homemade chicken Caesar wrap. Oh, I'm so excited. I have not had one of these in so long. And then crispy salted fries, and these are just like frozen fries that I do in the Actifry. They're perfect, 10 minutes in there. And then I have McDonald's barbecue sauce and McDonald's McChicken sauce because I love those on my fries. Okay, so in this chicken wrap, it's lettuce, Parmesan cheese, chicken strips, and Renee's Caesar dressing, which is my favorite. It's like bursting out of the back. Oh my gosh, so excited. Zoom in for you guys, so you can see all the layers of all the goodness. I also add pepper into that. Okay, let's get our first bite in. Ooh. Yum, 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 yum. Wow. Look at all that lettuce. I put extra lettuce in that. It's so good. I always put the McChicken sauce a little at a time in the mayo like that. I don't want it to literally go everywhere, but oh, that's okay. And then I just like kind of stir it up. It's so good. These honestly taste like McDonald's fries or better. Especially when you eat it with the barbecue sauce and the McChicken sauce. You seriously need to mix them together. So good. So how are you all doing wherever you live? How's life? Things are pretty good here. Water. Yum. Let's get another bite of this. Oh man, this is good. It's so good. Wow. I have been craving this for quite some time. Making it at home is better than any takeout place. Because you can adjust it how you like it. For example, I like lots of dressing. So, I put lots of dressing in that. Have any other or any video requests or any requests for a certain type of wrap, let me know. Yeah, this is bursting open. Caught by my top. That was actually pretty funny. So when I was thinking of making these, I was like, oh, I don't have any chicken, so I was gonna like fry up some bacon or something. But then I remembered I bought chicken strips, which again, remember we just started eating meat, and we don't even eat that often. Like well, on my channel I might, but when I eat burgers, like we do Beyond Meat burgers, Beyond Sausage, veggie ground. Anyways, the point is I haven't bought chicken strips in over a year. So I remembered I had chicken strips and I thought, oh wow, that'd be perfect breaded chicken for the wraps. And it's amazing. Ooh, take a bite from that bottom. Amazing. My stomach's making noises eating this. I don't know why. It is my first meal of the day. Maybe that's why. So satisfying. I love the Renee's Caesar dressing so much. I feel like it just makes anything you put it on, if that makes sense. This is so good. Look at that. Second half of my wrap. Yum. So good. I'm just trying to listen to my stomach. I've heard a lot of people in my past videos comment like, why my stomach is making these noises. I don't think that's why. Anyone who's commented anything in the past, you have to just scroll through my videos and find those comments, but my stomach makes those noises, I think, sometimes when it's like the first meal of the day. I don't know. I couldn't exactly tell you. But it's something that people like to talk about, apparently. McDonald's has the best barbecue sauce. Okay, stomach, do your thing. I actually also make a really good homemade farmer's wrap, which is from Tim Hortons. Excuse me. I make a very good one. I feel like I have not done that on my channel. Maybe I'll do that. Last bite. It's so windy out right now. I feel like it's windy all the time. If you live in Canada, Ontario, Canada, do you find it's windy all the time? I feel like the past 4 years, it's been so windy. I don't know. I feel like it just keeps getting windier and windier and windier. Don't know. This is so good. I was craving this. I was gonna actually make this the other night, but my son wanted the Beyond Meat burgers, which we ate. I didn't film that though. I was going to, but I didn't. So super, super happy. This is my last bite, I'm full. Went down the wrong tube. So we're gonna rate this meal out of 10, and we're gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Amazing. Hold on a second. Excuse me. Excuse me. That made me super gassy, like burpy. And my stomach's going crazy. Okay. 10 out of 10. The wrap was delicious. I love fresh tortilla wraps. The lettuce was fresh and crisp, obviously, because I bought it and washed it and ate it fresh. The fresh Parmesan cheese was amazing. The chicken was cooked perfectly. And the Caesar dressing is on point. I get the big container at Costco just because it's way more cost effective to do that. And these fries are my favorite. They're actually the brand Cavendish. I think they're Cavendish shoestring fries, restaurant style. So good. Yeah, so please give this video a big thumbs up because it really does help my channel. And if you guys could leave some video requests below, that would be awesome. Share my video with your friends, family, and let's grow our family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.